Here we are. It's been a couple of days with electrical and plumbing, and now we have new light fixtures. We've got the first coat of paint on. We're just starting to modernize a bit. Got some really pretty things. The chic in this is going to be the light fixtures that really bring a bit of bling to the house. So that's super exciting. This is our dining room. One of the things that we noticed was that the light originally was in the very center of this room, and it was a kind of a round lamp, but we have to take into consideration that the dining room table is going to be moved over toward the hallway a bit so that we have room for a piece of furniture against that window, which will be something to hold our dishes. The buffet or whatever you want to call it will go over there, and that's just going to maximize the space in the room. It's super bright in here. They have put in all kinds of pot lights and lighting in our kitchen. You can kind of see where the lighting is going to go over our island now. It's as you can see, the plumbing, we used to have like one of those raised bars, breakfast bars that was kind of curved, but what they needed to do was change the plumbing. They did that over the last 2 days because our bar is going to go straight. So they just needed to dig everything up, reconnect everything, put more concrete down. So a nice clean job there. And the island itself is 11 feet long, the one piece of island. So instead of having a kitchenette table, we are just going to have an island in this house. You can see it's just so much brighter and cleaner. I'm so happy with that. And as you can see, this back wall is going to get a very large sliding door, which will become the focal point of this house because we have a really pretty lake view back here. And those doors arrived today. So they're going to have to put in a 16-foot concrete header into the structure here, which we're all permitted for and have an architectural design already created for. And that's going to stretch all the way across here, probably to about mid-window here. This side here will then get blocked in because we're going to eventually put like a grill on that side of this space. And we're going to force the view to the lake here. So everything is going to be lake view, lake view, lake view, which really is, I think, one of the most beautiful things about this home. It's kind of got a little courtyard style in here too, so it feels kind of cozy. And then some of the other things that we've added are just, hello, baby.
Hello.
That's my husband. We still have the doors hanging out in here. We added 4 pot lights to the ceiling. We actually had no ceiling lights and no fixture in here with lights in the ceiling for the main bedroom. So now, gosh, I can see laundry and everything else that I need to find in this house, or in this room. So that's great. Super exciting there. So the next step is going to be those big giant doors. It's going to make a big transformation when that's done. So I think we're halfway through the project. Down here you can see I've got a piece of tile. This is going to become an accent wall and TV wall down here. Super pretty. It's this video showing it darker than it is. It's actually super light. It looks like wood, isn't. It's tile. But we think on that wall it's going to look really, really beautiful with our TV. And we'll position the furniture so that it's more of an open space in this area, in this common area of the house. So very exciting. And all on a budget. Very exciting about that. I'll share all the numbers at some point as well. Have a great day, everyone. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.